Hello， 朋友们，大家好 ！Welcome to Mother's Kitchen. If you like the video, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to help the channel grow.
This is Zongzi. Traditionally, we make this for every New Year. This recipe takes a long time to make, but it's very tasty. Now I show you how to make it. Let's get started.
Here are all the ingredients. The exact amount is in the description box.
Let's start by soaking the mung bean, sweet rice, and bamboo leaf overnight. Make sure the bamboo leaves are completely underwater by placing a cotton ball on top. This is the bean curd I use, but it's hard to find. If you can find this at your store, then use this one. I have another brand linked below if you can find it. Now rinse off the pork. We need to scrape off the skin in order to clean it. And give it another rinse. Now cut the pork belly into 6 strips. Now marinate the pork with half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black pepper, quarter teaspoon fine spice, 1 cube fermented bean curd, and mix everything together. Now cover it and refrigerate overnight. After soaking everything overnight, put the bamboo leaves in fresh cold water. You can fold the leaves in half to fit in the pot. Then bring to a boil and cook the leaves for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, remove from the heat and strain it. Now give it a quick rinse to cool it off. And now cut off the ends. Now wash off both sides of the leaves. Now strain the sweet rice and mung bean. Transfer the sweet rice into a bowl. Then add 1 tablespoon salt and mix it. Now do the same with the mung bean. Add quarter teaspoon black pepper and quarter teaspoon salt and mix it. Now grab a handful of rice and mix it with the beans. This helps keep the beans together when you open it. Now time to make zongzi. We want the thick part of the stem facing up and to your body. Now put the next leaf on top, with the edge touching the middle of the bottom leaf. Make sure to turn the stem side away from you this time. Now repeat this step while turning the leaf each time. We need a total of 7 leaves. Place the last leaf in the middle. Now let's add our rice. Fill up 3/4 cup and make the bottom layer. Spread it evenly. Now add 1/4 cup of mung bean for the next layer. Make sure the measuring cup is completely full and spread evenly. Now add the pork belly in the middle. Put another layer of mung bean. Spread evenly. And finish with another layer of rice. Now fold it in tight. Make sure to take your time on this part. Fold the edges so it overlaps. Now use a string to tie the middle. Wrap it around twice and make sure it's not too tight. Now tie a knot on the top. Now fold the bottom in and tie it. Now stand the zongzi. Use your thumb to push the metal in before folding it. Now tie the end. Make sure the string is tight. Now tie another string right above it and make sure it's nice and tight. Now remove the string right above the last one and tie it again tighter. Then remove the string above the last one. Give it a pad to pack in the zongzi. Now use your thumb to fold in the middle before folding it down. Make sure it's nice and tight. Now tightly tie the end with a string. Then tie the zongzi 2 more times. When it's done, it should look like this. Now add the zongzi into the pressure cooker. And fill it up with cold water. Make sure the zongzi is completely underwater. Now cover the lid and pressure cook it for 30 minutes. When the timer finishes, let the zongzi sit for another hour. After an hour, let it steam out. When the pressure cooker is safe to open, take out the zongzi. Now wash them with clean water. Let it cool down for at least 1 hour before opening and it's done.
Let me show you how to open and cut zongzi. Let's untie the string. It looks like this. Let's cut it. Wow, looks good. Time for this test. The rice is firm and sticky. It is savory. It's very delicious. The pork is very tender. It's so good. The mung bean is very fragrant. It's very delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you guys like the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Happy Chinese New Year, everybody! 再见。